What's up with my gang? It's your boy Kwame and I'm back with another banger, man. And today we out here at the Oakland airport and there's my plane right there. We out to Miami today, you feel me? It's about to be my first time going to Miami. Second trip on the YouTube channel. We about to make sure it's better than the last one, even though I do know y'all like that one. It's gonna be 10 times better on this one, on my mama. So today we just about to get this trip vlog, you feel me? I'm about to give y'all this flight vlog. I'm about to give y'all the experience, and when we get there, when we flying, we're gonna touch down in Houston. Got the gang right here. Come on, man. Feel me? It's still like 4:30 in the morning. Our flight's at 5, and I'll talk to y'all in a bit.
You have 2 items, ladies and gentlemen.
Just got in our seats. Yes, sir. You feel me? About to take off in a second. You feel me? All right, we landed in Houston now. We got like 2 hours until our flight to Miami. So right now we're heading over to our next gate we gotta head to. And after that, we out to Miami, eh? Yes, sir. All right, we decided to get this food after, since we waiting on this flight, and we about to see if it busts. Said it's the best burgers in Houston. We about to see. Fun fact, this is my second time in Houston. My first time I went, it was for my cousin's graduation a while back. This time it technically doesn't really count, but we still in Houston. So this is the second time in Houston, just to let y'all know. All right, we about to see what it's looking like right now, you feel me? See if this thing busting. I'm a picky nigga. I ain't gonna cap you though. I get meat, cheese, and ketchup. I'm a simple man. No cap. I dropped the French fry, but don't trip. And if y'all watch my recent videos, y'all know when I get a burger, I'm always gonna put the fries in that thing, gang. Come on now. It's a man though. And if you're not putting fries in it, you need to start putting fries in it. No cap. I'm not gonna lie, this shit is busting. No cap. You fucking with yours, Sean? Okay. Alright, we off to Miami. I'll see y'all when we get there, man. Alright, we just landed in Miami. We're about to go pick up the rental car right now. Then we're going to slide to the Airbnb. Then after that, we're going to take it from there. Alright, we in Miami. As y'all can see, I took that jacket off because it's hot as hell. And here's our rental car right here, as y'all see. Cool little Volkswagen Jetta. The gang over here walking ahead of me and stuff. We walking into Walmart right now. About to go get some food and stuff. Nothing too crazy, but that's it. That's my son. Right now we at Bayside Marketplace right now, walking around trying to explore the city. You see the Ferris wheel right there too. Feel me? But not the Rolls Royce. That's an ugly ass Rolls Royce, but I can't hate. It's a Rolls. If there's one thing about me, I'm gonna go to a motherfucking baseball game, nigga. I'm just sending this to Darren. Hey, man. It's me.
I don't know, nigga. You can say your best man, you won't lose your best. What the fuck is that?
Yo, Pierre, you want to come out here?